Ever dreamed of ditching the traditional bank and exploring new, potentially more exciting options? You're not alone. Fintech companies like Younited are making waves with their innovative approach to banking. But with all this innovation comes a crucial question: is Younited safe for your hard-earned cash? Today, we'll be dissecting Younited's safety net, exploring regulations, guarantees, and their overall financial health. Buckle up, because we're about to navigate the world of digital banking security. Traditional banks versus the new kids on the block. For decades, our parents and grandparents have relied on brick-and-mortar banks. These institutions are heavily regulated, with deposit insurance schemes that protect your money in case of a bank failure. It's a system that's worked for a long time, but it also comes with limitations. Think high fees and a sometimes sluggish approach to technology. Enter the fintech revolution. Companies like Younited offer a streamlined, tech-driven banking experience. Often, they boast competitive interest rates and a user-friendly interface. Sounds fantastic, right? But with this newness comes a natural question: are these new players as safe as the old guard? Younited under the microscope. Let's take a closer look at Younited specifically. First things first, Younited is a credit institution approved by the ACPR, the regulatory arm of the Bank of France. This means they operate under a framework designed to protect consumers. That's a good start. However, there's a key difference between Younited and traditional banks. Younited's business model relies on investment funds, not traditional deposits. This means your money technically isn't held as a deposit but rather used to fuel loans offered by Younited. The deposit guarantee scheme, a safety net, with a catch. Here's where things get a little tricky. Deposit guarantee schemes, those safety nets for your cash in traditional banks, might not apply directly to Younited. Here's the deal. Younited claims their savings accounts offered through platforms like Raisin are covered by the French deposit guarantee scheme, up to 100,000 euros. That's a relief if you're using Younited through these platforms. However, for accounts held directly with Younited, the situation is less clear. There's no definitive confirmation of Younited's inclusion in the French deposit guarantee scheme. This lack of clarity is a cause for caution. While Younited might be perfectly safe, the absence of explicit deposit guarantee coverage adds a layer of risk. So, is Younited safe? It depends. Here's the bottom line: Younited appears to be a legitimate financial institution with regulatory oversight. However, the lack of clear deposit guarantee coverage for directly held accounts introduces an element of risk. Here's how to navigate this situation. If security is your top priority, sticking with a traditional bank with deposit insurance might be a safer bet. If you're comfortable with a little more risk in exchange for potentially better rates and a sleek online experience, Younited could be an option. Just be aware of the potential lack of deposit guarantee coverage for directly held accounts. Beyond regulations, considering Younited's financial health. Regulations are important, but a bank's overall financial health also matters. Younited seems to be on solid ground here. They've been around for over a decade, boast over 1 million customers, and claim a commitment to responsible financing. These are all positive signs. The final verdict, weighing the pros and cons. Younited offers a tempting proposition, a modern, potentially more rewarding banking experience. However, the lack of clear deposit guarantee coverage for directly held accounts is a concern. The decision ultimately depends on your risk tolerance. If you prioritize absolute security, a traditional bank might be better. If you're comfortable with some calculated risk for potential benefits, Younited could be worth considering. But remember, always do your own research before entrusting your money to any financial institution. Remember, Younited is regulated by the ACPR, but deposit guarantee coverage isn't entirely clear for directly held accounts. Weigh the potential benefits against the potential risks before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.